Let's learn about choosing the right inspection tools and equipment, and we'll be taking a look at the resources at step 3 on natchi.org/everything. Now, in the beginning, every inspector needs a flashlight, a GFCI tester, and a voltage tester. Later, you can buy all the other fancy inspection tools. And here is a list of the home inspection tools that we recommend, including inspector safety equipment. In relation to software, InterNACHI has a free home inspection checklist to practice performing inspections according to the Home Inspection Standards of Practice. I'll show you how that looks. Here's one of my inspection reports. We're going to continue writing the report. The software can be loaded on any device, and let's take a look at the basement. Let's say I inspected the basement and I had no defects observed, so I just click that. Let's say I inspected a major defect. I found a major defect, and I can make a comment about what that major defect was. And then I could go to structural components, and I have a cosmetic defect, and I can write that. And then I have to describe the type of foundation, etc. And when I'm all done with every section, like the cooling, let's say I have a material defect there, and I can type why I have a material defect. Or maybe it was inaccessible or not present or unsafe. So this is a free home inspection checklist software that can go on any device that InterNACHI provides for absolutely free so that you can practice performing inspections. And then we have a fetch report to quickly and easily share your inspection reports with agents. And I'll click that and show you what that looks like. There's the logo there. And your client just simply enters their email address to download the inspection report that you have uploaded through your InterNACHI dashboard so that they can access it. And then we have a link to inspection report writing software, providing exclusive discounts to InterNACHI members through our e-commerce partner, Inspector Outlet. And there's a link there, and you get to Inspector Outlet and all the software. And so that's step 3 about purchasing inspection tools and software.